Hello, everyone, and welcome back to National English Podcast, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Aria.
Hello, Aria.
How are you today?
I'm great, Aria. Happy to be here. And you?
I'm very good, thank you.
It's a nice day today.
It is, and we have a great topic today.
We are going to have a real English conversation.
Yes, just talking like friends. It's good practice.
Exactly. But before we start, please remember to subscribe to our channel and give this video a like.
It helps us a lot.
Yes, it does. And share it with your friends.
Okay, Riven, are you ready?
I'm ready. Let's talk. So, you said it's a nice day.
Is it sunny?
Yes, it's very sunny. I like sunny days.
Me too.
I feel happy when it's sunny.
Yes, happy is a good word. Is it warm?
It is warm, but not hot.
It's perfect.
A perfect day.
What did you do this morning?
This morning, I woke up and I had breakfast.
Breakfast is important. What did you have for breakfast?
I had eggs and toast.
Oh, nice. I like eggs for breakfast. Scrambled eggs?
Scrambled eggs. Yes, scrambled eggs. And you, Aria, what did you have?
I had cereal with milk.
Cereal is good. It's easy and fast.
Yes, very fast. I also had coffee.
Coffee. I need my coffee in the morning.
Me too. One big cup of coffee.
With milk and sugar?
Just milk. No sugar for me. And you?
I like a little sugar in my coffee. Just a little.
I see. So, after breakfast, what did you do?
I went for a walk in the park.
Wow, that's a great way to start the day.
It was lovely. The park is beautiful in the morning.
Are there many trees in the park?
Oh yes, many big green trees. And flowers.
Flowers. What color are the flowers?
Red flowers, yellow flowers, white flowers.
Very pretty. That sounds wonderful. I like parks.
They are very peaceful.
Yes, very calm and peaceful. What about you, Riven? What did you do this morning?
Well, I didn't go to the park. I stayed home.
Oh, okay. What did you do at home?
I read a book.
That's nice. What book are you reading?
It's a book about animals.
Animals. I love animals. What kind of animals?
Lions, tigers, elephants, big animals.
Wow. Is it an interesting book?
Yes, it's very interesting. The pictures are amazing.
I like books with pictures. It makes it more fun.
I agree. So, what are we doing after this? What are your plans for the afternoon?
That's a good question. I think I will go to the supermarket.
The supermarket. Do you need to buy food?
Yes, I need to buy some fruit and vegetables.
Oh, healthy. What fruit do you like?
I love apples and bananas. They're my favorite.
Apples are great. Red apples or green apples?
I like red apples. They're sweet.
Me too. And what vegetables do you need?
I need tomatoes and carrots for a salad.
A salad is a good idea for lunch.
Yes, a big, fresh salad. What about you? What are your plans?
I think I will meet a friend for lunch.
Oh, that's nice. Where are you going?
We are going to a small cafe near my house.
A cafe? Do they have good food?
Yes, they have very good sandwiches.
I love sandwiches. What is your favorite sandwich?
I like the chicken sandwich. It's very good.
That sounds delicious. I am hungry now.
Me too.
So, after lunch, what will you do?
I will go home and maybe watch a movie.
A movie? Good idea. What kind of movie?
I like funny movies, comedies. They make me laugh.
I like comedies too. Laughter is good.
It is. Do you have a favorite movie?
A favorite movie? That's a difficult question.
I know. There are so many good movies.
I really like a movie about a dog. It's a very happy and funny movie.
A movie about a dog? I love those. They are so cute.
Yes, the dog is very smart. And you, a favorite funny movie?
I like a movie with two very funny friends. They go on an adventure.
Ah, that sounds like a lot of fun.
It is. So, movies are a great way to relax.
Yes, they are. I also like to listen to music.
Ooh, me too. What kind of music do you listen to, Aria?
I like pop music. It's happy and good for dancing.
I can see you dancing, Aria.
Yes, sometimes in my kitchen. And you, Revan, what music do you like?
I like calm music. Piano music is very nice.
Ah, yes, piano is beautiful. It's good for reading or studying.
Exactly. It helps me focus.
That's great. We have different tastes in music, but both are good.
Yes, it's interesting to talk about what we like.
It is. Let's talk about something else. Do you have any pets?
Yes, I do. I have a cat.
A cat? What is your cat's name?
Her name is Luna. She is very sweet.
Luna. That's a beautiful name. What color is she?
She is white with big blue eyes.
Wow, she sounds beautiful. Is she playful?
Sometimes. Most of the time she just sleeps.
That's what cats do. Sleep, eat, and sleep again.
Yes.
Do you have any pets, Revan?
I don't have a pet now, but I want a dog.
A dog would be great for you. You could take it to the park?
Yes, that's a good point. We could go for walks every morning.
What kind of dog do you want? A big dog or a small dog?
I think a medium-sized dog. Not too big, not too small.
That's a good choice. They are full of energy.
Yes, a happy, friendly dog. That would be nice.
I hope you get your dog soon, Revan.
Thank you, Aria.
Me too. Okay, let's change the topic. What about family? Do you have brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one brother. He is older than me.
Oh, an older brother. Is he nice?
Yes, he's very nice. He's also very funny.
That's good. And what about you?
What about me?
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Oh, yes, I do. I have one sister. She is younger than me.
A younger sister. That's lovely. Are you good friends?
Yes, we are very good friends. We talk every day.
That's so important. Family is very important.
I agree 100%. My parents live in a different city.
Oh, really? Do you visit them often?
Yes, I try to visit every month. We have a big family dinner.
That sounds so nice. What do you eat for dinner?
My mother is a fantastic cook. She makes pasta.
I love pasta. Homemade pasta is the best.
It is. And for dessert, she makes a chocolate cake.
Stop, Ribbon. You are making me so hungry again.
Sorry, but her cake is really, really good.
I believe you. My family lives close. I see them every week.
That's really nice. It's good to have family nearby.
It is. We usually have a barbecue on Sundays.
A barbecue. That's fun. I like barbecues.
Yes, we eat, we talk, we play games. It's a happy time.
It sounds like a very happy time. It's good to spend time with people you love.
Yes, it is. It's the best thing.
So we talked about our morning, our plans, food, family. What else can we talk about?
How about travel? Do you like to travel?
Ooh, I love to travel. Seeing new places is exciting.
It is. Where is a place you want to visit?
I want to visit Italy. For the food, of course.
Of course, the pasta, the pizza, the gelato.
Exactly. Everything. And the cities are very beautiful. Rome, Florence.
Yes, I agree. Italy is a beautiful country. Ma would like to go there too.
What about you? If you can go anywhere, where do you go?
I think I would like to go to Japan.
Japan. Wow, that is very different. Why Japan?
The culture is so interesting. The temples are beautiful, and I love sushi.
Ah, yes. The food is always important.
It is. And the nature in Japan looks amazing. The mountains and the cherry blossoms,
The cherry blossoms are famous.
they are very beautiful in pictures.
Yes.
So Japan is my dream trip.
I hope you can go one day.
Thank you, Aria. I hope you can go to Italy and eat all the pasta.
I will try, but for now, I am happy here.
Me too. Talking with a friend is also a good adventure.
Yes, it is. This was a nice conversation, Riven.
It was. We learned a lot about each other.
Yes, about your cat Luna and my dream dog, about your brother and my sister, about your love for apples and my love for chicken sandwiches.
Yes, it's the small things that are interesting.
You are right. This is a real conversation. Just asking questions and listening.
And smiling. Don't forget smiling. Very important.
It makes the conversation friendly.
Exactly. I think this was very good practice for our listeners.
I hope so. Just simple questions, simple answers. Anyone can do it.
That's right. You can talk about your day, your food, your family, or your favorite movie or music.
There are so many things to talk about. It was really fun, Riven.
It was fun for me too, Aria. Thank you for the nice chat.
Thank you. And thank you to everyone for listening to our conversation. We hope you enjoyed it and maybe learned some new simple phrases.
Yes, now it's your turn to have a conversation.
And please don't forget to subscribe to National English Podcast and share this episode with your friends and family who are learning English, and leave us a comment.
We would love to read it. For today's comment, tell us one thing you did today.
Oh, that's a great idea. What did you eat for breakfast? Did you go for a walk? Tell us in the comments. We look forward to reading them.
Until next time, keep practicing.
And have fun with English. Bye, everyone.
Bye.